In this video, I'm going to walk you through Perplexity Comet, what it is, how to install it, how to use its best time-saving tools, and also a quick look at the pricing at the end. So just to give you a quick info about Perplexity Comet. So Perplexity Comet is an AI-powered browser. You can search the web like you normally do, but Comet also helps by showing sources and giving a clear answer right away. It can also summarize web pages and even summarize videos so that you don't have to read or watch everything from scratch to finish. That's the big idea. So let's start with the installation. Go to the official Perplexity Comet page and click Download Comet. And if you want to support this channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the video description below. If you sign up using a student email, after using that link, you'll get a 1 month of Pro for free while helping us make more videos like this. And then the download will start automatically. And when it's finished, open the file and drag Comet into your applications. Then open Comet. I'm already signed in, so I can't show the first time setup flow on my screen. On your first launch, you'll see a short intro animation. Click Get Started, and then Comet will offer to import your bookmarks and other data. You can do that now or skip it for later. And next, type a profile name. Pick a planet icon, click Continue, choose the setup options that you want, and then click Start Comment. And if you have a student email from your school, I recommend using it when you sign in. Because with a student email, you can get 1 month of the Pro plan for free. That plan usually costs $20 a month, so the free month is a nice way to try it. And once you're in, sign into your Google account if you aren't already. Now, you can see Perplexity's Comet browser. The interface looks like a normal browser and also like the AI tools that you've probably used before. You can open tabs, type in the address bar, and ask questions in a way that feels familiar. So let's try a quick example so you can see how it answers. So I'll type here what's happening in the Philippines right now. So first, Comet will show search results. Then it gives a direct answer based on those results. So you get a quick summary without having to open every link. It's fast and it keeps the sources visible. Now let's talk about summarizing web pages. So imagine you have a bunch of articles to go through and you don't want to read them all. Open one of the articles and click the summarize button. And then Comet will condense the page for you so you get the main idea in seconds. And if you want the summary to stay focused on a topic, you can ask for that as well. So for example, you can say, give me only tech news, and you'll get only the tech related parts. So this way you can move quickly instead of reading the entire pages. So Comet will also summarize videos. If you don't want to watch a whole video, open the assistant in the side panel. You'll see some pre-built prompts that makes things easy. The options that you'll notice are summarize this video, extract key takeaways, and scroll to the next interesting moment. I'll choose extract key takeaways, and then Comet will look at the YouTube video you're watching and return clear bullet point style points with the key ideas from that video. It's a simple way to understand the main points without watching it end to end. And another helpful feature is comparing what two reviewers say about the same product. Open both videos in two separate tabs, then open a new chat, type the @ symbol, and select the two video tabs. And then after that, enter your prompt. So I'll say here, compare both these videos and tell the key takeaways and problems. Press enter, and then Comet will compare the two videos based on your prompt. It will list what each reviewer thinks, what they agree on, and what problems they mention. So you can quickly see the differences without jumping back and forth. And there's also a handy way to pull information from a video without opening it. So this is useful when you just want to understand what the thumbnail is showing. Open the assistant in the side panel and click on the screenshot tool. Select only the video thumbnail and make sure it's just the thumbnail that you're selecting. Then type, can you provide information on this? And then Comet will describe what's in the thumbnail and tell you what it shows. So keep in mind, this gives you information about the image only. It won't tell you the full content of the video. And if you want details about the actual video, copy the link and paste it so Comet can analyze it. Or just open a video and use the built-in prompts like summarize this video, extract key takeaways, or scroll to the next interesting moment. So that way you'll get the main points from the real video content itself. So just a quick recap. Download Comment from the official site and install it. If you have a student email, grab the free month of Pro, open Comment, click Get Started, import bookmarks if you want, set a profile name and planet icon, choose your options, and click Start Comment. Sign into Google. From there, search as usual and get quick answers. Click Summarize to condense pages or ask for just tech news. And for videos, use the assistant to summarize, extract key takeaways, or jump to the next interesting moment. And you can also compare two videos by tagging both tabs with @ and asking for a comparison. And you can also use the screenshot tool on a thumbnail when you only need info from the image. So that's the flow for now. Let's move to the pricing. So there are three plan types. So Personal Pro is $20 per month, and it gives you 10 times citations, labs unlimited uploads, extended research, image generation, limited video generation, and the latest models with Pro perks. And then Max is $200 per month and adds early access, unlimited labs research, advanced models like O3 Pro, Opus 4.1, enhanced video, and priority support. So for education, verified students and educators unlock Pro with study mode, labs, unlimited uploads, and extended research. And for business, Enterprise Pro is $40 seat, $33.33 if billed annually, with unlimited searches, uploads, spaces collaboration, drive integrations, SSO permissions, and SOC. And for the Enterprise, Max is $325 per seat and adds labs, research, Comment Max Assistant, org controls, 10 times storage, and the full model suite, enhanced video, and also early features. So that's the full walkthrough of Perplexity Comet based on what we covered up today. So what it is, how to install it, how to use summaries for web pages and videos, how to compare two reviews, how to pull info from a thumbnail, and a short look at pricing with personal, education, and business. So in this video, you saw how Comment helps you get answers faster, stay focused, and skip the busy work. Thank you so much for watching, and if this helped you out, feel free to try steps yourself. Download Comment, sign in, and test the summarize and video tools on something you're already reading or watching. And I hope this makes your browsing simpler and a lot faster. See you on the next one.